It's bath time, little one. Warm, cozy water is filling up the tub. And here comes your friend, the rubber duck. Look at your bath toys. Splish, splash, so gentle. The duck says, quack, quack. The boat floats along. Ooh, look at the bubbles. Floating up, up, up. Pop, pop. So pretty and magical. Time to wash our hair. Scrub, scrub. Gently, gently. Look at the silly suds. A little cloud. A little heart. Now a gentle rinse. Warm water washes away. All clean and sparkly. You did so well. Now the big, cozy towel. Warm and soft. Snuggle, snuggle. All wrapped up like a little bundle. Soft pajamas with little stars. Hair all fluffy and dry. And your special friend to cuddle. Almost ready for dreams. Good night, little rubber duck. Thank you for bath time. See you again tomorrow. Sweet dreams, little one.